Hi guys, so this is my father-in-law. They have a project at hand, so he said I should help him video so that his children and everyone will see the progress thus far. So this is me. I was following him to the site where they were building, because they're actually building a boys' quarter. So this is me. I was making sure I capture the whole process. So I made sure I captured everything. So this is me. I was videoing everyone. I was greeting everyone. So this is somebody I know that always help us out in the village. He said I should video him very well, that he wants to appear very well in the video. So this is my father-in-law. He was making sure that everything was okay. He was telling me, see now, the work is going. And yes, the work is going very well. So they are doing a lot of works already. They just started and they are doing a lot. Like when I mean a lot, a whole lot. He was showing me the process. Because the last time I did a video, the house was still standing. So they took the old house down and they are building a new one. And guys, they are really trying. So I make sure I capture the whole process. So here we are done capturing it. This is the first stage of it. So my guys, my father-in-law is so playful and so jovial, so nice. He was teasing the guy, was like, "GCK darling in a mofuma." So here I'm done with the capturing, and I just say, okay, let me give an overview of the whole site at the moment, how far they have gone. And that's it for today, and we are done capturing the moment. I think by now you people should name me videographer. Okay guys.